How to Draw Manga Volume 2, HowExpert Press and Christy Paraja. This is new Volume 2 in the How to Draw Manga series by HowExpert Press by a new manga artist and writer, Christy Paraja. This is a practical drawing course that will guide you in learning how to draw manga characters quickly and easily. This guide will not only show you how to focus to create your own manga character, but it will free your mind to see beyond reality. Become a better manga artist by getting this easy-to-understand, step-by-step tutorial and check out different manga characters to help you create your own. Discover the secrets of success in learning how to improve in drawing manga characters. Be proud of yourself for how great your skills have improved. Inspire your friends with your new drawing skills. You don't have to look and play for other artists to make creative drawings. You don't need expensive and complicated training to learn how to draw manga. Relieve yourself from stress. Design your own projects with your new and unique drawing skills. Draw manga-tized customized characters as gifts for your friends and loved ones on special occasions. That would make them feel that they are important and special to you. Make unique designs for events and parties that you organize. You can make original manga characters and gain the pride that it is your creation. Start living your dreams of becoming a real manga artist. Each chapter includes magnificent illustrations to delight you and not wear your eyes with rushed drawings. Every guideline, strategy, and recommendation we've included are well thought out and practiced for you to understand it as easily as possible. If you want to learn quick and easy ways to draw manga characters, How to Draw Manga Characters Step-by-Step Guide is the best for you. Start learning today. Click Buy Now to get it now.